to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Melanie, and if you guys are a returning subscriber, hi, how are you guys doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a foundation review slash wear test. This is why I only have my eyes done. Before we go ahead and get into the video, please don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave. Don't forget to click the little bell so you guys will be notified the next time I upload. And then just go ahead and leave me a comment down below, like anything, even if you want to say hi. Let me know if you guys like this where I come on like this without the foundation on in the beginning, or if you guys want the full face with the whole foundation on and then the application. Like, does that make sense? Let me know. But let's just go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Everybody knows what it looks like, but this is, I'll just show you again. This is what it looks like. And they sent me light 240W. It is warm with golden undertones, so I'm hoping it matches me. And on here it says that it is full coverage with the natural finish. It has skin loving ingredients with collagen, peptides, and nanomycin. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. I'm probably saying it wrong. It has SPF 30 in it, and it comes in 20 different shades. So this is what it looks like right here. And I believe this retails for $14 or $15. I think it's $14, and it does come with a pump, which is really good. So I'm super excited to try this. And like I said, with all my foundation reviews, I'm going to be using the same face primer that I always use, which is the Maybelline Master Prime. It is the 1 in 100 Blur and Smooth. And to switch it up just a little bit, I'm going to be using a different powder. I'm going to be using a lighter powder. I know with all my foundation reviews, I use the Coty Airspun, but my face has been really dry. It's still oily, but it's dry. It's like combination skin right now, which is really weird because I've always been oily. But I don't know, I guess as I'm getting older, as you can see, I have friends that are coming out, so I don't know what's going on my skin. My skin is going through a phase. I'm gonna be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Press Powder. I'm gonna be using the color 001 Transparent. That's what I'm gonna be using to set the whole face. And then I will be using a sponge on one half of my face and a brush on the other side. I'm gonna be using, this is I think from Walgreens. It's like their charcoal infused sponge. I'm going to be using the Morphe R6 brush to go ahead and put it on with the brush. Start off with primer. Let me go ahead and show you guys my skin, because like I said, it's going through it. As you guys can see, it's pretty bad. So we're gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm gonna see how long I can keep this on for. I'm gonna go ahead and do my left side, which I believe would be your right, with a brush. And then I'm gonna be doing my right side, which would be your left side, with the sponge. Okay, so I want to say that's like, it equals like a pump. That's like one layer. How do you guys think my skin looks? So this is the side with no CC cream, and this is the side with CC cream. I think the coverage is there. It's really good. My skin looks super nice. It looks super natural, super glowy. I like it. Hopefully we'll see with the sponge how well it covers up that freaking big ol' zit right there. So this is the sponge side. What do you guys think? I think the coverage is the same, but I feel the brush actually gave me more of a fuller coverage than the sponge did, and it covered it up pretty well. I mean, obviously you can still see it, it's like super red, but it covered it up pretty nice. I think these down here are almost totally covered up. So let me see if I can put some more foundation on those areas and see how it looks. But instead of using the sponge, I'm gonna try with the brush. Okay, well, I covered it up a little bit better. Obviously I can still see it because it's like still fresh, but honestly the coverage on this for these are really good. I think the coverage is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back to go ahead and show you guys the way my face is looking. Okay, so now I am back and I have my full face on. I put everything else on. I set it with the same powder that I told you, and I also forgot to mention the setting spray that I was going to use. I believe the one that I've used in my last videos has been the Melanie Make It Last, but that's a mattifying one, and I didn't want to mess with like the foundation, like the way it would set on my face. So what I used to set my face is the Tarte Stay Spray. It is in this bottle. I haven't explained it yet. I don't know if my empties video will be up yet, but in my empties video I did explain why it's in here. But just to go ahead and let you guys all know why it's in here, in case some of you guys come from not from the empties video and you're just coming to watch the foundation review. This is the Tarte, yes, this is the Tarte Stay Spray setting spray. The bottle that actually came in, the little like spray, didn't work anymore, so I put it in here. This used to have the Revolution Pro Hydra Matte setting spray. I finished that spray, and all I did was I just washed it out, and then I poured the Tarte spray in here. So this is what's in here. So that one claims to not really like give you mattifying or glowy or dewy finish. It's just supposed to set your face and leave it nice and natural. So that's why I used that, and this is the way my skin is looking. It's set. I have blush, bronzer, and highlighter on. I didn't want to put on too much highlighter. And it is now 2:22 in the afternoon, so I will go ahead and check in with you guys in a couple of hours, and then we'll go ahead and do like the final check-in at night, and I'll show you guys how it held up. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so this is check-in number 1. It's now 5:48 in the afternoon. My phone is dying, but it's 5:48. I've had this on for about 3 hours, and this is the way my face is looking. And my child is calling me, and here he comes. The way my face is looking, it's actually held up pretty nice. I actually think I like the brush side better than the sponge side for sure. It is creasy right here on my nose. I'm kind of getting oils. Mom? Yes. Yeah. But it looks good still. Everything's still intact. Nothing has come off. So far so good. And I'll see you guys in my last check-in. 10:02, and so it is 10:02 or 10:03 right now. I put this on like around 2, so it's about 8-hour wear or so. And this is the way my face is looking. I didn't go anywhere today except to Dollar General. I had the mask on for like about 10 minutes, so it didn't come off where the mask was like on my nose or anything, but it did come off here like on the little curves of my nose, and I can see my laugh lines right here where they kind of like creased. But other than that, my face looks actually really well put together. Like there's really nothing. My eyeshadow did crease though, I don't know why, but besides that, it looks very well put together, the foundation still, so that's good. I highly recommend this foundation. This is such an amazing foundation at the drugstore or CC cream. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little review of it, and if you guys pick this up, let me know what you guys think down below. We'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.